everyone, welcome to our fun world. We're showing you some magnetic ball tricks. Like this paperweight. And these balls are 5 millimeters and the colors are golden, green, red, and if you didn't see the green, here's the green. And the rest of the colors are light blue, dark blue, and pink. So let's make it! And other bead crafts. So today we're going to make the magnetic ball paperweight. So we need magnetic beads, which I've got multicolored, and we need a card like this. So we're going to do the red layer first, which is my least favorite color. Just make it into a giant worm. Like that. And then just do like and if yours ended up like mine like this, then just like that. Like that. Do the same for the other colors. I'm gonna go a little bit faster. So now we've got what looks like some sort of hexagon pyramid. So now we're going to do this. So like this, I just hold it like this, and then we pull it like this until it's like that. It should look like that. Now connect it like this, like that, and then our paperweight is nearly done. Just one more piece if I can do that. Go on, yeah. Or you can do this and then do this first, because for me this is easier. So that is our magnetic bead paperweight. So if you like this video, give this video a like. And we just made it some kind of bag. Hey, look, it's also a pouch. It's also a pouch. Hey. Hey. Yeah, pouch. If we use 3mm beads, it'd be very tiny. So just close this back up. I want to like say something like, just close it. Like, you see these two dots and this dot? It's like this pouch is like it's screaming because like these are the eyes and this is about like, oh! That's what it's like. And maybe on the other side also. Yeah, it's like, and we're getting like 500 more of these. If you want
you can.
We'll leave the description in the description or whatever.
Yeah, description box. And
not a circle, it's a box.
Like you can also buy like these squares. So if you want to make a tower of these beads, like you make you just put like one of these beads and a square, then a bead, square, bead, square, bead, square, and like all the way to make a tower.
No, but wouldn't that just be the Leaning Tower of Beads?
No,
not the Leaning Tower of Pizza. Or pizza. Leaning Tower pizza.
And you can have a lot of fun with these by crafting new things out of these. And they're also different colors. Not only these, there's also silver and some other colors.
And you can make different things out of them. You could even make a laptop if you have a bunch of them.
Or you could even make like a whole house if you have like over 100 or 500 that we're gonna buy.
Approximately that much.
Yeah. And if you don't have like anything to separate these beads, you can use any kind of cards, even a tram card, to separate these beads.
Yeah, you can use something like this.
Yeah, even a ball.com card. We have one, but it's all over there. And also subscribe and give this video a like.